Tired of leads slipping through the cracks? This video will show you how to connect Follow-Up Boss to Agent Legend, unlocking a powerful automation system for personalized text message follow-ups that'll boost your lead engagement and dramatically improve response rates. Let's dive in. First, head over to your Follow-Up Boss account and navigate to the admin section. Then find and click on API. We'll need to grab your API key from here. Copy that key, you'll need it shortly. Next, log into your Agent Legend account and click on Integrations in the left-hand menu. Locate the Follow-Up Boss integration option. You should see a field where you can paste your Follow-Up Boss API key. Paste the API key you copied earlier into this field. After pasting your API key, select which Follow-Up Boss stages you want to trigger Agent Legend campaigns. This is where the magic happens. For example, you can set it up so that when a lead enters the new lead stage in Follow-Up Boss, it automatically triggers a specific text message campaign in Agent Legend. Once you've selected your desired stages and saved your settings, the integration is complete. Now, when a lead moves into one of those designated stages in Follow-Up Boss, Agent Legend will automatically send out personalized text messages based on the campaign you set up. This seamless connection automates your follow-up process, allowing you to engage with leads faster, nurture relationships more effectively, and ultimately close more deals. Start connecting Follow-Up Boss and Agent Legend today and watch your lead engagement soar.